According to the police, I'm a hardened criminal. A giraffe couldn't swallow my police record. It's too long. Since I first took the rap for tapping tills and cash registers in grocery stores, I've never been out of trouble. The police have been on my trail ever since the
friends, places, years and moments half forgotten, laughs, fears, songs, and tears, memories are made of this.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Chaotic Threads Vanlife channel. Recently I actually had a break-in into my van and they took some tools and stuff. So right now we're installing a master lock for the van. You could get my back is blocked by a rack, but if you don't have a rack, you might need two of these, one for the back doors and one for the side doors. Usually on the packaging for the master lock, there's a key code. So usually when you buy them, you want to buy both of them at the same time, and they have to match the same key code so you could use the same key on both locks. Alright. What we're gonna go through right now is what we need, and this is the preparation right now of what we need to install this master lock. We're gonna need 6 carriage bolts, 6 flat washers, and 6 split lock washers, and we'll also need 6 hex nuts. Getting them right now. I did the mistake earlier and got the nylon nuts, so I had to go back to the store, and that's why I'm pulling them out now. So let me show you. All of this is going to be 3/8 inches. You will need a 3/8 drill bit to make the holes for the carriage bolts. And as you see, the carriage bolt goes into your door, and nobody could screw it off, or they won't be able to ratchet it off or anything. It's tied in by the inside. Alright, let's see. This is the 3/8 inch. You don't need to get the package. You could get them individually, and it's much cheaper. Usually you'll find them under 30 to 50 cents each. A lot of times you get them for 15 cents each. Like say the hex nut here, 15 cents each, but most of Home Depot online has it as a package. Like this one, the carriage bolts, they were like 39 maybe, if I remember correctly. And then the flat washers, same thing. They have it listed in packages, but you can just get them individually and you'll be able to get started. Alright guys, we are back. We got everything ready. So basically you want to make it like this. You're gonna put the carriage bolt into the hole that we're about to drill, and then all these go on the other side from the inside. We're gonna have to peel out the leather, so I'll be doing that now, and then we'll have to I made markings. I laid it flat on the edge to level it out. So I already made holes where I'm gonna make my holes at. 8-inch drill bit. Alright. Place this. Make sure you have clearance inside to be able to screw on the hex nuts and everything.